Ever felt ungrounded or unstable? You might be dealing with an unbalanced root chakra. This fascinating energy center is the first of the 7 main chakras in our body, known in Sanskrit as Muladhara, which translates to root support. The root chakra is located at the very base of your spine and serves as a foundation for the energy that flows through the rest of your chakras. The root chakra is deeply tied to our feelings of security, survival, and our most basic needs. It's about feeling safe, secure, and planted firmly on the ground, akin to a tree with its roots dug deep into the earth. When the root chakra is in balance, we feel grounded, secure, and at ease with the world around us. However, a blocked or unbalanced root chakra can lead to feelings of fear, anxiety, and instability. You may feel unrooted, like a leaf being blown about by the wind with no control over where you're going. This chakra also governs our physical energy and vitality, so an imbalance may also lead to physical fatigue and sluggishness. So how can we balance and energize our root chakra? Yoga and meditation are powerful tools that can help us tune into this primal energy center and bring it back into balance. Specific yoga poses, breathwork, and visualizations can help us connect with and stimulate the root chakra, promoting feelings of groundedness and stability. By focusing on this chakra, we can harness its energy to bring more balance, stability, and grounding into our lives. We can feel more connected to the earth, more present in our bodies, and more secure in our place in the world. Understanding the root chakra is the first step towards grounding and stability. So let's embark on this journey together to connect with our roots and find our balance. In our upcoming scenes, we will delve into specific yoga poses and meditations that can help balance and energize your root chakra. So stay tuned and let's begin this journey towards a more grounded and balanced self. Preparation is the key to a successful yoga session. So let's set the stage for a tranquil practice. Seek out a quiet nook, somewhere you won't be disturbed. Once you've found that space, roll out your yoga mat and take a seat. Position yourself so you're comfortable, spine erect, palms resting upward on your knees. Now close your eyes and take a few calming breaths. As you inhale, imagine drawing energy up from the earth. As you exhale, visualize a warm red light at the base of your spine, the location of your root chakra. This light grows brighter and more vibrant with every breath, filling you with a sense of grounding and stability. Allow your awareness to settle here in this space of balance and assurance. With your awareness focused on your root chakra, you are now ready to begin the practice. The journey to a balanced root chakra begins with these yoga poses. Let's start with the mountain pose, or Tadasana. Stand tall on your mat, feet hip-width apart, feeling the connection with the earth beneath you. Imagine you're a mountain, immovable and strong. With each breath, feel your feet grounding more deeply into the earth. This pose fosters stability, aligns your body, and helps you feel more connected to your physical presence. Next, we move to Warrior One, or Virabhadrasana Y. From mountain pose, step one foot back and bend your front knee, keeping it over your ankle. Raise your arms to the sky, palms facing each other. This pose embodies the spirit of a warrior, symbolizing strength and courage. It grounds you through your feet and energizes your body, helping you feel more secure and confident. Now let's transition to the bridge pose, or Setu Bandha Sarvangasana. Lie on your back, bend your knees and place your feet flat on the mat, hip-width apart. Lift your hips off the ground, pushing through your feet. If comfortable, clasp your hands beneath your body, rolling onto your shoulders. This pose is a powerful activator for the root chakra, releasing tension from your lower back and helping you feel more grounded. Finally, we'll move to the child's pose, or Balasana. From bridge pose, roll over onto your knees, sit back on your heels and stretch your arms forward, letting your forehead rest on the mat. This pose is a resting posture, a return to the earth. It allows you to surrender, to feel the support of the earth beneath you, and to deepen your connection with your root chakra. As we move through these poses, it's essential to maintain a steady breath and to focus your attention on the base of your spine, the location of your root chakra. Visualize a warm red light glowing there, becoming brighter and stronger with each pose. Each pose allows us to tap into the energy of the root chakra, fostering a sense of stability, grounding, and connection to the earth. Yoga is not just about the physical postures, but also about the awareness we bring to these postures. As you hold each pose, try to stay present. Notice the sensations in your body, the feeling of the mat beneath you, the rhythm of your breath. This awareness is a powerful tool to help you connect with your root chakra and to cultivate a sense of grounding and stability in your life. These yoga poses are not just exercises for the body, but also practices for the mind and spirit. They help us to connect with our bodies, to feel grounded and rooted in our physical presence, and to cultivate a sense of stability and security in our lives. Remember, yoga is a journey, not a destination. It's not about achieving the perfect pose, but about the experience and awareness we cultivate along the way. Remember to maintain your focus on your root chakra throughout these poses. With each breath, visualize your root chakra becoming more balanced, more vibrant. Imagine your roots growing deeper into the earth, providing you with a strong foundation of stability and security. Thank you for joining me in these root chakra yoga poses. Keep practicing and you'll soon start to feel more grounded, more balanced, and more connected to your physical presence. Remember, the journey to a balanced root chakra is a journey towards stability, grounding, and connection to the earth. It's a journey worth taking. Until next time, keep your roots strong, your heart open, and your spirit high. Namaste. Meditation is a powerful tool for balancing your chakras. As we transition into this final part of our practice, let's tap into the transformative energy of the root chakra through a guided meditation. Start by finding a comfortable seated position. Allow your hands to rest gently on your knees with your palms facing upwards. This position opens up your body to receive energy and keeps you grounded. Close your eyes and take a few deep, calming breaths. Imagine a glowing red light at the base of your spine. This light represents your root chakra. Feel its warmth, its strength, and its stability. Now visualize this light extending downwards like the roots of a tree, reaching deep into the earth. With each inhale, draw up the energy from the earth. Feel it nourishing your roots, making them stronger, deeper, more robust. With each exhale, release any feelings of fear, anxiety, or instability. Let them flow out of you and into the earth. Feel your connection to the earth growing stronger, more profound. You are part of this world, firmly grounded, stable, and secure. You are like a tree, your roots anchoring you, providing you with the strength to stand tall, to withstand any storm. Allow yourself to bask in this feeling of groundedness, of connection. You are here in this moment, fully present, fully alive. Take a few more deep, nourishing breaths. Feel the energy of the earth flowing through you, energizing your body, calming your mind, and nurturing your spirit. Now gently bring your awareness back to your physical surroundings. Wiggle your fingers, your toes, and when you're ready, slowly open your eyes. Take a moment to notice how you feel. Do you feel more grounded, more stable? As you end this practice, carry the feeling of grounding and stability with you. Remember that no matter what you face, you have the strength and stability within you to handle it. You are grounded, you are secure, you are balanced. And with this, we conclude our root chakra yoga practice. Thank you for joining me on this journey towards balance and grounding. Namaste. Your presence in this practice is greatly appreciated. Your journey towards grounding and stability is a testament to your dedication and perseverance. If this session has brought you a sense of calm and balance, consider sharing this experience with others. Your likes, shares, and subscriptions truly make a difference, fostering a community of wellness seekers. Remember, your path to inner peace and well-being is a journey, not a destination. Thank you for joining this root chakra yoga practice. Namaste.